So that's it guys. And nakikita natin guys after natin mag-send ng pictures. So meron agad tayong na-receive na 421 pesos. Tama yung sinabi dito guys no. Itong bonus nila. Ito sa reward. So ayun guys. So merong 421 pesos guys. Ayan. So 5 pesos to 500 pesos guys. Grabe ang lucky guys. So withdraw natin guys. Baka ma-withdraw natin. Withdraw agad natin guys. So 421. Then trade password natin. Yan, then select bank card. Ayan. Then i-click natin guys yung submit withdraw. Yan. So, hintayin natin guys, baka ma-receive natin yung bonus na 421 pesos. So, hindi siya na-withdraw guys. So, isang beses lang pala tayo maka-withdraw guys no, sa isang araw. So, bukas guys, i-withdraw natin ito. Yan, so yan lang muna guys. So, salamat sa mga nanonood. Hindi pa pala sa hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe ay mag-subscribe na po kayo para updated po kayo sa aking videos na i-upload. Thanks. Dumating na guys yung ating withdraw na 290 pesos. So, 273 guys no yung dumating kasi nabawasan ng tax na 6%. Hello guys, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video ay meron po tayong i-share sa inyo itong is in kung saan ay pwede po tayong kumita guys at mag-invest dito sa platform. Ituturo ko po sa inyo guys no kung paano kumita dito. Ayan, mag-buy products lang po tayo dito guys no dito sa merong long term. Ayan, merong short term. So, mamili lang po tayo dito guys. So, meron din po ditong recommended products. Ayan, so 150 pesos guys no yung price. So, yung daily income is 60 pesos. Then, yung total income natin guys no is 1,860 pesos. Ayan. So, tingnan natin baka free lang po. Ay, may price pala 150 pesos. Ayan, so ito siya guys no, itong level 0. So, level 0 guys is 150. So, yung level ito pala guys no is level 1. Ayan. So, level 2 guys is 450. Yung total income natin is 5,859. Yung daily income naman is 189 pesos. So, hanggang 31 days. So, 1 month po guys, no? Ayan, 1 month po siya. So, meron din po ditong 950 pesos guys. Yan, yung daily income is 407 pesos. So guys, no, sa level 3 is malaki yung kita natin dito guys, no? So, mga 2 araw lang is muntik na natin agad mabawi yung ating puhunan. So, mga 3 days guys ay bawi na agad natin yung puhunan natin. Ayan. So, dito naman sa 4 is 2,150 pesos. Yung daily income naman is 946. So, mga 3 araw guys, no, is meron na po tayong kita. So, hanggang level 7 guys, no. Ayan. So, kung interesado po kayo guys, no, na mag-invest dito, ay mag-recharge lang po kayo guys. So, i-click lang po natin itong recharge. Yan, mamili lang po tayo dito guys, no, ng i-recharge. So, yung minimum is 100 pesos. Minimum recharge. Then, yung minimum withdrawal din po guys, no, is 100 pesos. Ayan, so up to for 50,000. So, i-click lang po natin itong recharge na at mapupunta po tayo guys no sa ating GCash account. Then mag-deposit lang po tayo. Ito po guys no yung kanilang Telegram. So, i-click lang nyo lang po yung follow at yung WhatsApp. So, i-click po natin. Ito yung Telegram channel. So, mag-join lang po kayo guys no para updated po kayo guys. Ayan. So, meron din po itong mga bonuses guys, no? So, i-click lang po natin itong vlog. Yan, makita natin dito guys, no? Yung reward. So, i-click natin yan. Yan, makita natin guys, no? Reward description. share withdrawal screenshot to receive cash rewards. So, ayan, pag maka-withdraw tayo guys, no, is mag-send lang po tayo guys, no, ng screenshot guys sa ating withdrawal. Then, once ma-approve is maka-receive tayo ng 5 to 500 pesos. So, try natin guys. Mag-withdraw tayo mamaya at mag-send tayo. So, release. Tingnan natin dito. So, dito natin i-send guys, no, yung picture guys. Mamaya mag-withdraw tayo guys. So, the minimum deposit pala guys, no, ay 150. So, mayroong 100 dito. So, 100 or 150 guys, no. Yung minimum deposit is 150. Then, pag mayroon po kayong ma-encounter na problem guys, no, ay i-chat nyo lang itong customer service guys or sa WhatsApp guys. Ayan, then pwede po tayong mag-invite guys, no. Yan, ito yung ating invitation link. So, i-copy lang po natin guys. Then, mag-share natin para meron po tayong commission guys, no, na makukuha. So, dito po natin makita yung ating mga invites at commission. So, ito guys, no, yung level guys ng ating commission. Ayan. Invitation. If your friend upgrades to VIP 1 or higher, you will receive a reward of 10. Ayan. So, yung first level guys, no, is meron tayong 30% na commission. Example guys, maka-invite tayo ng tao at mag-invest sila guys ng 10,000 pesos. So, meron po tayong 3,000 na commission guys, no. So, ayan. So, sa pangalawang level naman is 4%. Pangatlo is 1%. Ayan. So, try na natin guys mag-withdraw. So, withdraw natin. System prompt. You have not linked your... So, bind muna natin guys yung ating bank card. Ayan, GCash or Pimaya. Ayan, name natin guys. Name ng ating GCash. Type natin dito. Ayan, then card number. Then, add natin guys, no, yung add bank card. Click natin. So, one bank card lang yung ating ma-add. So, withdraw na natin guys, no, yung 290. At isend natin para makareceive tayo ng bonus. So, withdrawal amount is 290. Ayan, so medyo madilim guys, pero input po na natin guys na yung ating trade password dito. So, ayan, hinaan muna natin medyo masilaw. So, trade password. So, input natin dito guys na yung ating trade password. Ayan, click natin yung update trade password. Ayan guys, change successful na. So, mag-withdraw na tayo. 290 trade password. So, yung trade password guys na is number lang po yan. Huwag nyo po samahan ng letter. So, i-click natin yung submit withdraw. Yan guys. Yan. Na-withdraw na natin. So, wait natin guys na. Then, try natin i-send screenshot dito guys sa reward para makareceive tayo ng bonus. Yan guys, dumating na guys yung ating withdraw na 290 pesos. So, 273 guys na yung dumating kasi nabawasan ng tax na 6%. So, 6% lang naman guys no yung tax. So, isin po natin ito guys no para makakuha tayo ng bonus. album. So, ito guys. Ayan, then please enter the content to be published. Ah, receive. And receive, thank you. So, ganyan. Click natin yung publish. Yan, yan. So, yan yata guys, no? Yung, ayan. So, once approved, you will immediately receive a reward of comment section. So, dito yata guys. Ayan, dito siguro. So, that's it guys. Ayan, nakikita natin guys, after natin mag-send ng pictures, so meron agad tayong na-receive na 421 pesos. So, yan. So, tama yung sinabi dito guys, no? Itong bonus nila. Ito sa reward. So, ayun guys. So, merong 421 pesos guys. Ayan. Yan. So 5 pesos to 500 pesos guys. Grabe, ang lucky guys. So, withdraw natin guys. Baka ma-withdraw natin. Withdraw agad natin guys. So, 421. Then, trade password natin. Yan, then select bank card. Ayan. Then, i-click natin guys yung submit withdraw. Yan. So, hintayin natin guys. Baka ma-receive natin yung bonus na 421 pesos. So, hindi siya na-withdraw guys. So, isang beses lang pala tayo maka-withdraw guys, no, sa isang araw. So, bukas guys, i-withdraw natin ito. Yan, so, yan lang muna guys. So, salamat sa mga nanonood. Hindi pa pala, sa hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe, ay mag-subscribe na po kayo para updated po kayo sa aking videos na i-upload. Thanks!